Hi, hello everyone. My name is Amir Farhaminodin and my matrix number is 0732003. And for my title for this video is the Pandemic and Global Health. So what is the pandemic? A pandemic is a global outbreak of an disease, an invisible threat that can spread rapidly across the continents, affecting millions of people. It's more than just a health issue. A pandemic touches every part of our life, from schools, job, and how we travel, interact, and even grieve. So we have seen in recent memory, which is the COVID-19, but the pandemic happens throughout our history. So in this video, we need to understand what are the virus and how they spread and how we can stop them from spread across the world. So let's move to the other contents. The next content is the impact of the COVID-19 to the world. So the pandemic can change the world overnight. The COVID-19 has caused over 7 million deaths and globally impact the health of the hundreds of million people. But the damage didn't stop in the hospital. The business are closed, the economy are crashed, and the student lost years of education, mental health, and also struggle increased. And not everyone infected equally. The poorer communities in the country often face the worst condition and scenario. With the fewer doctors, vaccines, and the medical supplies, history shows the similar patterns, which is the Black Death has wiped out nearly half of the Europe, and the 1918 Spanish flu has killed more people on Earth, and this combined both World War and more human deaths. So each pandemic leave a deep scar, but also clear the message that we have to be ready for the next pandemic. For the next content is the how to prevent the future pandemics. There are 5 steps to prevent the future pandemics, which is the first one is the early detection and surveillance. We need strong disease tracking system that we can detect the new virus earlier before they spread. Countries must share the information fast without delay. The second one is the investment in healthcare. We need the system that lots of medicines and the better hospital for the patients. In the conclusion, the pandemic was an unpredictable global crisis that reshaped the worldwide. It highlighted the vulnerabilities of the healthcare system, the importance of the scientific collaboration, and the needs for the rapid response mechanism in the face of emerging infectious disease. While vaccines and the public health measure eventually brought the virus under the greater control, the pandemic left lasting impact, both life loss and the social, also economic impacts. And lastly, as the world transition to the post-pandemic era, the key lesson remains clear that we need to aware of the next virus to secure our world for peace and tranquility. So that's all for my video. Thank you for watching.